weeks with his clothes on. The morning call has been and gone, and he might not make the flight, but he will try. Yeah. Bit by bit it comes back to him. A bunch of Belgian businessmen and a strange drinking game. Oh God, why?
Come home, Billy Bird, international business traveler. Come home, Billy Bird.
He hails a cab, but the driver sucks. He drives so slowly and he talks so much that it hurts Billy Bird's aching brain. Yeah. He runs from the cab to the check-in desk. She says no way, but William begs on his knees. Please, please, please. Well, okay.
Come home, Billy Bird, international business traveler. Come home, Billy Bird.
Drenched in sweat, he finds his seat, and with the luggage squeezed down beneath his feet, he begins to think that things can't get no worse. But then a voice says bags that can't be stowed in the overhead lockers must go below in the hold. Please let go. Thank you, sir.
Home, Billy Bird, international business traveler. Come home, Billy Bird.
Come home, William. Come home. He runs on past the carousel screaming, damn my luggage, all the hell I can buy a new shirt and tie any day. He rides from the airport into town to the high school football ground where his son has just begun his big football